Hi, it's Dr. Scott Schreiber with Minnesota Spine and Sport, and you are right in our lobby right now. And when you come in, we'll have you come up right up to the front here, and for our established patients, you just check in with on our tablets, and we'll be right with you. Sometimes there's paperwork involved, especially initially. We like to be very thorough with our initial examinations and make sure you're in the right place, and we can really sit down and talk about your condition and take care of you. So come on back. All right, so down here in room 1 here, this is where we perform acupuncture and dry needling. We have a lot of different types of acupuncture that we do, mostly in the Western sense or more on the medical side for pain and for trigger point deactivation and decreasing muscle spasm, that type of thing. We also use at times electroacupuncture, so we'll attach the actual the little alligator clips here to the needles. So yeah, come on in and check out the room here. Again, everything is sanitized before you guys use it. Again, we make sure that your safety is at the utmost importance here. It's a private room. This room also has a baseboard heating, so if it's a little cold or whatever, we can get the temperature to your liking. Perfect. Let's head on down. So now room 2, another treatment room as well. Again, we can use this for acupuncture. Also, we have our laser up and running here. Our laser is great for decreasing pain and inflammation, really speeding up the treatment process. Multiple practice guidelines now incorporate laser into acute and chronic pain, which we see a lot of. All right, moving down to room 3. This is where the meat and potatoes of the treatment happen. We examine our patients in this room as well as perform treatment. Again, the typical chiropractic table, we have a lot of different options. Flexion distraction, where this table will actually move up and down for more of a non-force type treatment, or we can get in there and do your traditional manipulation. Okay, we're in room 4, very similar to room 3, just another room just as you had already seen. So coming down the hall here, we go over to the right here. This is our spinal decompression table here. What this spinal decompression machine is great for is for neck and low back conditions, such as radiculopathies, pain in the arms or the legs, disc conditions, disc herniations, degenerative disc disease, facet syndrome. Great opportunity here for some recovery. We're really big on movement here at Minnesota Spine Sport, and this is one of our individualized treatment rooms for rehab exercises, that type of thing. As you can see, we got a lot of different bands, TRX. We got kettlebells, we use those a ton. Of course, dumbbells, foam rolls, balls, bands, you name it, so we can get you better as fast as we possibly can. That's the key. We also want look at function. Are you able to do the things that you could do before whatever injury or whatever condition occurred? And again, it's all about getting you to that level. And whether that's walking up the stairs, walking to make some food, or some more athletic endeavors, running a marathon, whatever that you want to do. It's all about you, and it's all about your recovery. Right, coming down here, we have our second rehab room, a little bit more involved when it comes to a lot of the bands and the balls. Do a great crossover symmetry system here that we use. Again, we have our TRX, our kettlebells, Rip Trainer, which is real fun. This is our passive modality room. Again, we have our nice comfy chair, our little ambiance. We can turn the light off, as you can see, if you like. And here, electric stimulation, which can help decrease pain, decrease muscle spasm, decrease inflammation. We have our PEMF machine here, pulse electromagnetic field, which is really another great modality for decreasing pain, decreasing inflammation, speeding up the healing process. We also have our Normatec in here, which is great for recovery. I love it. If you're in running, soccer, any kind of sporting events, we can use that. It's great for percussion or compression recovery and just feeling better. So this is my office. This is Minnesota Spine and Sport. We're here, like I said, to help take care of your issues, really dive into what is going on. We offer an evidence-based approach to care. We really are concerned with getting you better as fast as we possibly can. So here we are. This is what we do. If you guys have any questions, please reach out and we'll be happy to answer anything that you have.